Hello everyone, I'm Richard with Osa Tropical Properties, and today we're in phase 9 and we're going to talk to you a little bit about erosion control and site prep. We are on a half-acre lot, and what's different about this property versus a lot of raw land you're going to be looking at is that this is already graded out and is ready for building. This area gets a lot of rainfall. I believe last year we had close to 26 feet of rain. So therefore, in an area that gets this much rain, you have to be prepared to handle that kind of water. You'll notice the gutters all around this property that catch water. We have lots of this tall grass. This is used for erosion control and how this goes down the embankment. For every foot this grass grows up, it's going to grow that much down as well. So it's used specifically for erosion control. Another thing that you'll notice is on the hill behind us, in order to get this big of a building area, we had to bring a good bit of this down. That will happen in the lot out in front as well. However, that's gonna have to come down 10 feet or more to get it all leveled out to be able to put a house on it. So therefore, that's gonna drop significantly as this did. So it's gonna keep your view there. Here, as we're looking at the embankment, you can see how important all this erosion control really is. The grass is keeping everything rooted. They have put this canvas over it while this fills in. This will eventually all disappear and be landscaped coming up through it. These gutters are catching the water, putting it into this culvert, which is taking it across the street into an existing creek. Another thing to notice about this property is that the driveway, this is very easy to come in off the road. Too, it's already been put in for you. This is super easy, but a lot of properties in this area are gonna have some rather steep driveways because coming from the road to the high point of the property can happen in a short distance. Along with all the site prep that has been done, the ease of access, the gated community, this stunning sunset ocean view, the surrounding mountains, the green space where you can hear the creek and the river running. Give us a call, this could be yours.